If you're experiencing issues with Valorant's multiplayer mode, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can help clear any temporary glitches that might be causing the multiplayer issue. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Open the right client and check for any available updates, then install them before trying to play again. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to verify your connection speed and troubleshoot any issues with your network. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix corrupted files that may be affecting multiplayer functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the multiplayer issues in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.